of smoke. Breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you. And the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes up.
1.9 kilograms. I can beat that.
It's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control.
Okay, so I am making the Tyrannosaurus Rex at 7 kilos. I'll try to like measure it afterwards, but I'm pretty sure it's like 6.5 kilograms. I'll put it up in LBS here. LB, what you other people are looking at. Wait, why are you not using kilos? It's so much easier. Probably a month to print. He has like 400 hours of printing time at a nozzle size at 0.8 and layer heights at 6. I think it's 6, and I'm going to print some new stuff. It's right there. If some of you people can guess what that is, you're just freaking awesome. But that has been taking a month to print. And if this video don't get, okay, how many views have you have? He had 72,000 on his video. I want 100, not 1,000, just 100, plain 100. I'm not a difficult guy to work with, so I think that's okay. We need those simple words. I'm gonna use glue. Just fuck it. I'm just using glue. Fuck that shit. Why? Oh my god, it's so big. This is one I made for one of my friends. He didn't have a 3D printer, so you know, I'm a good friend. So yeah. But I'm not making any more of these for friends. Oh my good god.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday. I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, and you're tired of the pain.
Shite. It's my biggest print yet. It is 2.5 meters long. It has been using 6.5 kilos of filament. I can't measure it like rclifeon did, but I'm sure I have been using 7 full kilos of filaments. So I'm pretty sure it's around the 6 and the 7 kilos. It has been taking me 400 hours to print, 1 month. Assembling time, 5 or 6 hours, something like that. But okay, I was spending the most of the time moving around the cameras and stuff like that for you guys. So you can probably do it in, like, I don't know, an hour, something like that. This scaled model, it is 375% of the original. So the original is like, yay, big. It's like super small. And this one is 2.5 meters long. So try to make rclifeon see this video. He needs to beat my T-Rex, or he needs to make something bigger than my T-Rex. This is not a competition, not at all. But that's just freaking awesome. I just hope you guys like this. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. It helped me out a lot. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike the video if you don't like it. Everything else will be down in the comment section down below also. If you're just here for trolling, I don't bother. I'm just gonna delete whatever you're writing, so just don't. And if you're here to support me, I love it. Just please give me all the support you want. And as always, just stay awesome. Peace out. Isn't this just fucking awesome? It's so damn big. Oh yeah, and if you're still here, the video on the top is just a random video I have to been choose? I don't. It's a video I put up there. The video down below, right down there, it's the video YouTube thinks you should be seeing on my channel. YouTube have been kind of weird this day, so maybe the video down there is not that good, but it's still mine. So stay creative. Peace.